Asante. God is good, and all the time. Mheshimiwa Dr. William Ruto na Mama Rachel Ruto, and all protocols observed, I'm here to deliver my condolences and the condolences of the Azimio fraternity who could not be here, to the family of General Ogola, to Mama Eileen, the children, and the entire family. Everything else has been said. I would only like to add, when an accident occurs, it's a security issue. The security concerns which deserve an answer for the nation. And since an inquiry has already been formed, we look forward to a speedy investigations. I salute our fallen general. Fare thee well. May God bless him and his family. Thank you.
Thank you. Anaro wacho matin, gedo luo tomoro bro wacho gi Kisungu. Adwaro ni mondo josiaya duto mondo winj wach ma wacho ni wuoyi ma waiko kawuono ni ok en ng'ama inyalo pando. En wuoyi